lovelies, it's me Preksha and welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an everyday puff for thin hair. So if you love to make puff hairstyle but you are not able to do so due to less volume in your hair, then you can use this technique. So let's get started with this video. So first of all, comb your hair backwards. Make sure there is no tangle in your hair and you can make your puff easily and smoothly. Now start from an end point of your brows towards your hair. Now take a triangular or semicircle section from the front like so. I am tying my hair away so that I can make my puff easily without any disturbance like so. Now invert the section to the front and now take a horizontal section from the inner corner of semicircle and take a thin brittle comb like this one and start backcombing your hair. And then leave this strand behind. And now take another section and backcomb this section as well and leave this one behind and keep doing like this till you reach the front section. So you can also use setting spray so that your puff will last all day long. Now take the last remaining section and slightly backcomb it, this one as well. And now place it above the rest of the section and tint your hair. I am using a slightly wet comb to smooth it properly. Now hold the tip of the triangle like so and twist it little bit and push it towards the front depending upon the height of the puff you want like so. And grab a tic tac pin and place the pin horizontally like so. And now take another tic tac pin and place it making a crosswork pattern, secure everything in place. Now I'm removing clutcher from rest of my hair so my hair will look good from back also. And now I'm shaping my puff a little bit like so as you want your puff. And now I'm just pushing it a little bit and yeah, that's it. Now I get the perfect puff like I want, and I am taking out small stand from front of my face so that my face will look more great from front. And yeah, that's the perfect hairstyle and that's a perfect puff. And you can use setting spray so that your puff will last all day long. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you want. And comment down below if you like this video or not. And yeah, this technique really works on my hair and I hope you understand what I'm saying in this video. I hope you understand how to make a puff nicely and perfect. Bye bye.